Hello friends, Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Tri-Light Builders. Back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Willo Historic Neighborhood, episode 16. We have some incredible progress today. We have drywall almost done. They've done a whole bunch of plaster work in this house. Wow. And we've got some new interior doors hung in openings. It looks so incredible. Let me show you around the space. We're starting in the master bedroom and bathroom. So we have rehung the entry door to the pass-through area / master closet, where we're going to have all of our closet storage in this space. And then we have our fabulous arch doorways that go through as we transition to the bathroom space. So this space over here is going to be for a storage counter and wall cabinet, and this door over here goes into our water closet. Doesn't that look incredible, friends? Over here's our vanity. Over here is going to be our shower. This is our master bedroom hall going down here toward what will be our new laundry closet. So in here is going to be our stack washer and dryer unit. Our trim carpenters got the rail hung for the barn door that's going to be there. And then our fabulous drywall company has been out and done some amazing work on getting this texture all taken care of. So all these spaces look just fantastic together. Here we're in our living room space. They're working so hard to get these seams just right up here against our softened ceiling area. We're walking into our den. Aaron's outside doing some work, so it's a little bit loud, but this opening over here looked like a hot mess before, and it looks so much better now. They've done an incredible job with the drywall and mudding application of these doorways that look so good, and then above our fireplace to make that look seamless so that they can hang a TV up there. And then our beautiful dining room space with a gorgeous open wall over there that our homeowner is going to be able to set up to elevate the design aesthetic of this home. Here we are in our kitchen space. It looks so big. Oh, this skinny galley has been given a very nice opening so that she looks nice and open and will function very, very well for our homeowners as they use this space and entertain from this home. But doesn't this look amazing? Our new exterior door is in, so we get some more natural light through that door. And then our touch up to the basement space. We had a grill there for some ventilation before, and now we've enclosed that. But doesn't that look good, friends? As we transition out of our den area, over here on the left is our guest bedroom. It's looking so good. We no longer have our opening to the hall. Oh, doesn't that look good? And then down here we've got our pocket door in for our guest bathroom. Nice wide opening there and that beautiful window. Over here we're going into our music room space. Our dog door is being installed today, keeping everything all secured. But this music room space just looks so beautiful with all the bright natural light in this space. And yes, friends, we are leaving this brick wall over here. It's going to look so nice as they leave it open to enjoy as an office space for now, but can be closed to be a closet space in the future. So our stucco work is complete. They've done a very good job at tidying up this space over here at the garage and creating new openings for those garage doors that are going to be in there. Around here on the corner of this house, you can see the stucco there. And then over on the far wall, that's the neighbor's garage space. And we touched up the stucco there because that becomes on our property, not part of our property, but our responsibility to take care of from this homeowner's position. And then our back wall, we rose that a layer of block and now have done the stucco there, so when it gets painted it looks seamless. It's just incredible, the progress on this home, friends. There is our tour for today around the space in Willo Historic Neighborhood. I am so incredibly grateful that you're on this journey with us. We really couldn't do it without you. For coffee and construction in Willo Historic Neighborhood, take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.